How to transfer money on Truist Bank using Zelle. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use Zelle to transfer money on your Truist Bank. So first of all, open the Truist Bank app on your mobile device, and once you've done that, simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options. Simply tap on the third one, which is transfer and pay. Now you'll be taken to this page where it will basically provide you 3 different options. You can either transfer money and pay bills, pay other bills, or send money with Zelle. So since we are here to transfer money using Zelle, we'll tap on it. Now you'll be taken to this page where it will basically provide you 2 different options. You can either send money or request money. So for now, we'll simply send money using Zelle. Now you'll be taken to this page where if you want, you can search the recipient to whom you are sending your money to by entering their phone number, email address, or their name. And if they show up on your recent recipients, you can simply tap on them. Now you'll have to enter the amount, how much you want to send to them. So simply enter the amount. Now once you've done that, tap on the option done. Now tap on the option review, and then once you're okay with your transfer, simply tap on the option send, and there you have it. That is basically how you send money on Truist Bank using Zelle. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.